Hello teacher, this video is for you so that you can easily create your quiz, your test on MS Teams app. So simply click on MS Teams app. Here you can see several options here. You need to click on this Teams icon and select for the particular team for which you are creating this test. I want to create this test for test team. So go to your team, click on the channel. You should select your particular channel where the assignment will be scheduled. So go to more button here. Click on the assignment option. So you need to click on this plus button now. The next step is you have to click on new quiz. Click on here new quiz option. Give your quiz a title. Now enter a description if you want to enter, it's totally up to you. Click on add new button. So there are these options are there. First is multiple choice, then T stands for short text or long text option, then this is grading or you can say rating option, and the drop down list you can see there are so many options, more options are here. So first I want to select this multiple choice question, so I'll select here. So this is my question. Give options here. Yes, so now I'm done with the multiple choice question. Just select the correct option so it will be checked automatically. So correct option is 1. Choose the correct option. Okay, now next is add new. Now I want to enter a long text question, so press on this T button. Now next is you can enter the points here. Say 2 points now. It is a long answer question, so drag this bar here. Now next add new. Now I want to add a file upload question where a student can upload a file. So you need to click this arrow button. This is a file upload icon. Click OK. Now question for this. File number limit, number of picture. I'm selecting 1 over here. Single file size limit say 10 MB because 10 MB is enough. You can give the points for these parts. I'm getting this 4 marks here. So this is done. Now if you want to add a picture of your question, if you want to add a diagram, so you can click the picture of that diagram. So how can you add? Click on this add new. On this drop down arrow, click on this icon. So it will ask for image. Click on the image. Now click on this upload button. Then you will click on upload button. It will take you to your camera gallery options. Select any image like this, and this image will be uploaded. So you can write down the question here related to image. Okay. Give the points to this question, say 2 points. Now click on done button at the top right corner. Okay, now the very important is title you have given class 7A computer. Now 8 points possible. Yes, this is correct. Assign to test team. Yes, I have assigned to test team. You can assign to more teams also, so you can select the teams from here. Then next is all students. If you want to assign to some particular student, then you can select individual student option and just select the students from your list. Only the members will be visible here. Now next is date due and time due. Click on this edit button. Schedule to assign in future. Yes, tick mark it. Now post date and due date should be same. So my post date is 14th August. Yes, it is correct. Set. Suppose time, you can select the time. Suppose I want the student to give the test at 12:30 p.m. As I have told you, post date and due date should be same. So here also 12:30 p.m. Now the close date. After this date and time, student will not be able to attempt the test at 15th August 11:30 a.m. So this assignment will be visible at 14th August 12:30 p.m. and it will be closed at 15th August 11:30 a.m. So now click on done. Add assignment to calendars option. Yes, select students and team honors. Post assignment notification to this. Select your channel. From here I am selecting this general channel. Done. Now click on schedule. Now see at the bottom, class 7A computer due tomorrow at 12:30. It is scheduled. This is how you can create online test on MS Teams using your phones. Thank you.